Resolve the following forces to find the horizontal and vertical components. So you've got this one here. All right, so again, we can form a triangle. Okay, so we've got 50 newtons, okay, at an angle of 30 degrees to the horizontal. So you can think of that resultant force there of 50 as going across, okay, a certain amount, and then up. Okay, so we can work out what the across component is and what the up component is. So the hypotenuse be labelled there, opposite the angle here, and then my adjacent here next to the angle. So we're going to use SOHCAHTOA again, just like before. So to work out the adjacent, the horizontal component, it'll be A and H, so it'll be cos. So because of the angle 30 equals then A over H, okay? A over H, so A is what I want, H I know to be 50, so you literally take that 50 up to be 50 cos 30 equals A. Okay, so my calculator comes out to be 25 root 3. Okay, so we can leave it like that, it's quite nice. So the component there horizontally will be 25 root 3. Okay, so to get then the vertical component, we want the O, don't we? We want the O there. So O and H I'm going to use, so sine of 30 equals to opposite over H, opposite over the hypotenuse. Take the 50 up. So if you do that on your calculator, it comes out to be exactly 25. Okay, so that component there is 25. All right, but just think now how I got these. Okay, because we don't have to do these triangles every time. You might be able to see a quicker way in that when you've got the force of 50, where the angle is here, you just need to appreciate this is the adjacent side. And with the adjacent, you use cos. So with the angle, you use cos. So it'd be 50 cos 30 here. Okay, and that side is the opposite of the angle, isn't it? Okay, that side's parallel to here, it's opposite of that angle. So then when it's opposite, you use sine. Okay, so along here, it would be 50 sine 30, and you literally get those answers out. Okay, so you could apply the same principle here. We'll look at it in a minute now, but let's just form a triangle in this case here. All right, so we've got 20 degrees. Okay, but this time it's going negative direction. You've got 35 newtons there, but you're going backwards, aren't you? You're going in the negative x direction, and then you're going up. So to get from here to here, you've got to go back and up. Angle there is 20 degrees. Okay, so you know this is my opposite. There's my adjacent. There's my hypotenuse. So if I want A, okay, I want A. Well, you use A and H. That's going to be cos, isn't it? So you might see straight away. Then that's going to be 35 cos 20, and then opposite. Then you're going to see that to be using sine 35 sine 20. Okay, just by using SOHCAHTOA here, it comes out. So we can work out what those components are then. My calculator, 35 cos 20 is 32.89, rounded to 2 decimal places, and then vertically then it'd be 35 sine 20. So that'd be 11.97. Okay, let's go on to the next one. So again, you can form that triangle, right? So we've got the resultant force of 60 newtons going this way. That's the same really as going across. But then we're going to go down. Okay, so make that triangle slightly larger. So you're going across and then down. Okay, but again, you've got that angle there, 45 degrees. So where the angle is, that's the adjacent side, don't forget, right? And then the opposite of the angle is here. Okay, so with the adjacent, you always use cos, don't you? Because of the setup of SOHCAHTOA. Right? So cos 45 would equal to the adjacent over the hypotenuse. Take the 60 up. So you get 60 cos 45 along that side. Always cos with the angle, okay? So you just need to remember that. Opposite the angle then is always sine. So here it will be 6 sine 45. Okay? And you can work out what they are then as decimals. Finally then, on this one, you know, just to see, very similar to the first one, but you can go straight forward, can't you? There's the angle, so you know that's the adjacent, so you can write 70 cos 35 and work that out. And then opposite that angle would be this side here, which is parallel to that side, so it'll be 70 sine 35.